Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you little basics of crochet. You will need only hook and some yarn. Let's check out the etiquette. There are informations about yarn. I'm going to use this yarn. It is alpaca wool. They recommended hook number 5. In this video I'm going to show you how to make slipknot, chains and single crochet. I also want to show you how to start and finish the row. Always try to start with the tail from inside the ball of yarn. If you can't pull it, take other tail, and then it's great to use some ball ball, and now the ball of yarn will not run. You must always start with slipknot. You can make it like this, or like this. It's simple. Make a loop and pull the yarn through. That's all. Now let's make some chains. So yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. We can make 12 chains, for example. Now make chain 1. It will serve like extra chain, so insert your hook into second chain from your hook and work single crochet. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over. Now you have 2 loops on your hook and pull through 2 loops. It's single crochet. Continue single crochets to the end of this row. In last stitch, work last single crochet and chain 1. Then turn your work. Now I'm going to show you which stitch is right for start of next row. You must insert the hook into first stitch. it's stitched under your extra chain. Repeat that every row and you can make your first project. Continue working single crochet into each stitch to the end of this row. Into the last stitch, work single crochet. It's here. You must insert the hook into both loops. Chain 1 and turn your work. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Here, make single crochet, and continue working single crochet into each stitch to the end of this row. Only like this you will have nice and straight sides of your project. Make single crochet in last stitch, chain 1, chain 1 and turn your work. Again, insert the hook into the first stitch and make single crochet. You can make a scarf, for example, like this. Always when I make scarves I use bigger hook because it is softer, and when I make shoes, for example, I always use smaller hook because shoes are shoes, not socks. We are at the end of this row, so make single crochet into the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. Insert the hook into the first stitch and make single crochet. At the end of your project, make always slip stitch, then you can cut the yarn. I hope the video will help you. Have a great day and see you soon.